And win number 8 would allow them to have better positioning in making it to the Final Four. They're looking to do the same versus the UP Fighting Maroons. As we take a look at their starters, this one led by Niña Itang, of course, and UP now will go for Haboneta, who will score the first point.
It's a good start. That's a good technique for Haboneta,
who has played different positions nung first game niya, Magi, versus Adamson. Libero siya nung game na yon. Slide attack for Niña Itang.
All 5 siblings in sports, success is always shared and pushed. Sabi niya, kapag may na-achieve ang isa sa amin, mas kinaganahan kami lahat. Never siya naging competition to take a backseat to one goal, the Final Four. That is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Magi.
Thank you so much, Frankie. That's inside, or there's a check ball for Joy Aseo. So now Itang will serve 4, serving 3. And not the best first ball there. That's a service ace for UP.
Only produced double the blocks compared to FEU. And for a team that has long relied on one of the UAP's most dependable blockers, and Niña Itang, this season tells a different story because now beside her is Bian Bansil. Although Bian missed 2 games this season, didn't even start and won. This is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sweet with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Magi.
Thank you so much, Cheska. Well, 30 kill blocks in the season.
It's just really there.
Mga Limotan going to Olango. Blockers have been on point here for the Lady Falcons. That's another kill block. Ang dynamic duo in the middle blocker position. Sagaysay, speaking of middle blockers,
they really have to work for it.
That's right. Dote now serving. Jazz one-handed set. And guess who? Bian Bansil. Have to talk about more as the game progresses here. Sagaysay, number 1 server in the UAAP with a service ace. I mean, Faye Sagaysay has been a service queen here.
They want to take advantage that Niña Itang is in front.
Good pass by Mordi. Back row Netura.
Going back to that timeout, that they want to keep that block stable because they care of more of the defense of UP.
88. And hope to see her back next season. In the meantime, ang ganda ng nilalaro ni Eloy Dote. Well, height is might for Pina Ali, the tallest player of UP. Madriaga is also inside. Olango popped up by Mordi. Netura elevates. Olango! What a dig by Aposaga. Sagaysay, it's still in play. One more try here for Adamson. Sagaysay will set. Netura with the put away.
He has been going to Netura. Siyempre, kanino ka ba naman pupunta? You go for the consistent one, for the veteran one, and the assurance na papatayin yung set.
Adamson, not talked about as much. Number 2 in digging. We know they could serve though. They are number 1 in serving.
Adamson.
Joy Aseo, she has 4 points. Proven that she is a deserved starter here for Adamson.
She stepped up when Abby Segan needed help.
Ali sending it to Mordi. Sagaysay will try Aseo from the back row. But
that was what we were talking about.
Hernandez is inside for the first time playing libero. Joy Aseo now with 5 points and still serving. Kizzy to Kian. Sagaysay was right there. Stable first pass. Good check there by Olango. Jazz sends it back to Kian, who has been the bright spot for the UP Fighting Maroons.
Again, she tried to spike higher than Faye Sagaysay.
Set number 1. Not the best first ball there. Netura out of system. Almost. Regalo for Kian Olango. This is point number 6 for Olango, and now Coach JP Yude will call for time. 4 points na rin. Ito si Eloy Dote. Set point for Adamson. Jazz kneeling set. Olango.
You have to maximize Olango when they are in front. And you have to pass good. Just to make the...
Faye this time. High set for Mordi. Bring it on! Bring it on, sabi ni Francis Mordi.
Mordi.
Sway your way moment of the game brought to you by Sunsilk. Try the new Sunsilk with Amina Silk Complex.
But then, parang kahit wala na yung connection kasi kaya naman paluin ni Shaina.
And we welcome you to set number 2 here. So once again, UP needs to win this to try to stay alive for their final 4 hopes. That is third to Dao. Perfect placement para kay Tudao.
Timing for Faye Sagaysay to give that ball since she has only one block. Even na nandun yung mga libero, they're comfortable giving the ball to that side.
Jazz one-handed set for Bansil. Aposaga, bomb set. Netura, undiggable. So 2 serving 3 here. Olango with 7 points on 7 attacks. Netura again. This time, Kian covers. Haboneta off the block.
They know that they have been being blocked.
She had to step in, and from that moment, she has delivered outstanding performances. And coming into the set, Coach Alexi reminded the girls, let's stick to our defensive patterns. We need to adjust the timing of our block.
And as what I can see, ang goal talaga nila is mapagod yung main gunner
Yeah.
ng UP.
Jazz going opposite for Gajero. Mordi sweeping. Back to Netura.
We are led by no other than Eloy Dote, who, as we recall, also delivered the winning block against UST. Sabi niya sa akin, naiyak ako nun. Doon ko naramdaman na worth it lahat ng pinagpapaguran ko. Now coming into the second set, Coach Ettore commented the girls with their serving.
29 kill blocks
Wow.
this season. 26 siya coming into this game. In the meantime, Haboneta.
Stable yung blockings ng Adamson here. So they just have to make it through the block. And yun yung mga sinasabi namin, ang term namin dun is ang dudulas ng bola nila.
Back here in set number 2, Haboneta now in the front line. And Haboneta with back-to-back points here for UP.
Haboneta, a free blocker there. Last minute. So she just targeted that end line.
Abangan simula April 27, 8:45 p.m. sa Todomax Primetime 5 ng TV5. Olango has been the best friend.
Nagagawa niya talaga ng paraan eh.
Itang serving. Mordi has been one of the main targets. Chance ball. And Netura.
Na kahit ganun yung bola na binibigay niya, nagpo-point eh. So they have to loosen up. They have to trust na kaya nilang depensahan at lakan si Netura. Target for him.
Good first pass. Olango changing it up and it works.
And that's good kasi, you know, it creates confusion from the side of the defense of Adamson.
Maji, let me ask you this. How do you scout that? I mean, in the 12 points Netura has, majority out of system, but how can you scout something like that?
You know, you just have to read kasi syempre unpredictable yung gagawin ni Netura. Kasi when you have Netura, that kind of spiker who can spike everywhere,
Spike of the set brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan.
going back. And this is where kailangan lumabas yung tapang ninin niya. Sa mga times na alam mo bantay ka, what will you do about it?
In the meantime, speaking of Itang, coverage for UP. Sagaysay will go to the pipe and Netura pounds.
Has been flying everywhere. See, even Nina Itang is confused. She keeps on asking the ball. She wants to find that perfect time to gain back her momentum.
We're still waiting for that tara na
Yes.
moment. Good touch by Fernandez. Sagaysay sending it to Mordi, and Mordi using Itang's hands to score for her second point.
Wow, they have been training for this for sure.
And the service ace for Eloy Dote.
That's what I said a while ago.
Volleyball.
Adamson has making Olango work here
And back-to-back aces.
to eliminate them from the attacks, especially kung sila yung pumupuntes eh. That's why, you know, Olango has to stay composed.
Madriaga. That's a great set for Fina Ali.
Coming from a good pass there, no blockers at all Just hitting that down straight to the floor. They just need that sense of urgency.
Sagaysay going to Aseo. And Noceja with a one-man block.
Quality time, quality minutes.
This Tibay defensive play of the set. But iba yung maturity niya
Yes.
nakikita natin this year from Netura.
And more of, mas may katulong na kasi siya ngayon eh.
Exhibit A.
Still, Netura has been doing everything coming from variation to spiking really hard. Take a look at that. Just targeting the gap between Gajero's block.
She has been a major problem. And that last game is versus FEU as well. So, some make or break games here. Kian Olango.
And we know that they have a better connection with Gajero. So, we also need Gajero back in this game.
Olango will push. Sagaysay will set. Netura. Was there a check? First referee saying yes.
Take a look at that single block. Just that forearm every angle.
Kizzy. Back set. Netura with the block.
Netura, even in blocking, present.
This Tibay defensive play of the set is brought to you by Elastos.
And coming into the set, it's all about response. Ira Haboneta led the huddle, asking for sharper focus on the small details, cleaner defense, better timing of blocks, and
All right, now we're just waiting for Kizzy to activate. My point. Brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan.
It's a good thing that KZ will start to have that. Yung play nila kanina na tayo-tayo lang. The stable blockings of Adamson is really working well. Dote has been working well also.
And we just started set number
Yes.
3. May nakapag 30 points na ba in 3 sets? It's an interesting, we
Yeah.
need to research that. In the meantime, Sagaysay goes for Mordi. Itang, good coverage. Mordi, binigyan ulit. Off the block.
And she was too far from the net. Take a look at that, KZ. Sinahod lang niya eh. It's a good thing.
She has been scrappy here, partner.
I agree.
Sagaysay now in the full front line. Oh, with the full front line, Netura will set. That's Aseo.
In terms of pointing, making a little bit easier for the job. And that last minute drop, just adjusting. Still the
1 point lead for Adamson.
good set.
Gajero. I'm telling you, Aposaga has been everywhere. Off speed for Shaina Netura.
Aposaga and Netura has been everywhere, variating all of her attacks.
Sway your way moment of the game brought to you by Sunsilk. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with...
Kasi yun talagang naglalaki.
Yeah.
They can pass well, they can set well. It's just really the attacks.
That's over. Sagaysay loves these free balls. And Aseo will score off the blocker's hands.
Natin that the blockings of UP is one-on-one na eh. So giving the spikers of Adamson more. Her experience right now will help her in her upcoming career.
Sagaysay, pipe attack, Mordi. Naiangat ni Noceja. Sagaysay, sending it to Aseo. Faye will send it to Netura. Good coverage there by Tadao. Netura will try one more time. And that is sent back. And it looks like it is clean there. And no net faults.
An all-around player coming off the bench.
If we're basing it on this game, Adamson looks like a playoff team. And that's... Sagaysay, Itang. And Itang will score, so that's 3 straight points here for the Fighting Maroons. They target Mordi. Sagaysay, Netura for the finisher.
Netura says enough. We're done here. We are getting our 8th win today.